In a serene village nestled amidst the lush fields of India, a chilling mystery unfolded. Each morning, the villagers awoke to find lifeless sheep scattered across the meadows. Panic gripped the community as their cherished livestock dwindled, succumbing to an unknown force. Whispers of curses and supernatural entities filled the air, fueling fear and suspicion among the villagers. Desperate for answers, they sought the guidance of a wise elder. Through ancient scriptures, he uncovered a dark truth: a vengeful spirit haunted the village, seeking retribution for the harm inflicted upon its sacred grounds. Together, the villagers united, performing rituals and offering heartfelt apologies to the spirit. Gradually, the sheep deaths ceased, and harmony was restored. Lessons were learned, reminding the village of the delicate balance between humans and the spirits that dwell among them.